Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hype Scanner. Today we're checking out something wild in the Web3 space, DegenLab. Hey, listen up. If you're planning to buy into the DegenLab presale, don't just go to the main site. There's a special link that gives you pleasant 10% bonus tokens instantly. It's the exact same presale, same price, same tokens, but with 10% more sent straight to your wallet. So if you're putting in $300, you're actually getting $330 worth of Degen. It helps with staking, leaderboard rewards, everything. No catch, no code, no forms, just use the link. Link's in the description. Don't miss the bonus. Picture a meme coin Launchpad on steroids. You land on DegenLab.ai and you see it's like AI meme platform live now. The goal? Help anyone, literally anyone, create a fully functional meme coin with branding, tokenomics, launch timing, all powered by AI. No coding, no fuss, just plug and play, and boom, you've got a token. What's extra cool is they've built something called a social mining engine. That means your social media posts, memes, shilling, everything you share gets tracked on-chain and earns you rewards. So it's not just hype, it's gamified contribution. This is all super tailored to the Degen crowd. They're literally building a toolkit and community infrastructure for the next wave of viral tokens. And it's on Solana too, so transactions are fast and cheap. It's a whole vibe. Now moving into the purpose and problem that DegenLab solves. In today's meme coin jungle, there's a ton of noise. Tons of copy-paste launches, rug pulls, no real support for creators. DegenLab comes in and says, let's democratize this. Their AI takes care of naming, branding, supply, tokenomics modeling, so regular folks, marketers, meme lords, you name it, can actually launch a token that's optimized for virality. Plus, social mining flips marketing on its head. Instead of centralized hype teams, the community drives it. You post a meme, you get rewarded, and the token's visibility goes up on chain. It incentivizes real engagement. This solves both the creation barrier, no tech skills needed, and the growth barrier, community-driven marketing baked in. Smart token generation meets smart token distribution. Let's dive into the tokenomics. This is where it gets interesting. DegenLab's total token supply is set at 6.9 billion DegenLab tokens, all running on Solana for lightning-fast transactions and low gas. Now, here's how that supply is distributed. 30% is allocated for the presale, which is available to early adopters. 20% goes into social mining and rewards, which powers the entire community engagement model. 18% is reserved for liquidity and listings, to make sure DegenLab has trading depth and exchange access. 15% is for marketing, because let's be honest, memes don't go viral by themselves. 8% is stored in the ecosystem treasury, which helps fuel future platform growth and support. 5% goes to development and ops, funding the actual builders behind the magic. 2% for advisors, and another 2% for the team. A surprisingly small portion, which is a good sign. So yeah, this isn't just another hype token with shady backdoor allocations. It's built with community scaling in mind. Now let's walk through the roadmap. And yes, this one's actually detailed and structured for long-term building. Phase 1. Concept and community. They started with brainstorming and assembling a top-tier team. Then came community engagement, reaching out to meme coin circles to gather hype and feedback. After that, they launched the website and started growing the DegenLab fanbase. While all that was happening, the dev team began building the platform. Phase 2. Fundraising and development. This is where the public pre-sale launched, letting early adopters in at discounted prices. Meanwhile, selected pre-sale participants got access to a beta version of the platform for testing and feedback. Phase 3. Token launch and exchange listing. With momentum building, they launched the DegenLab token and began listing it on exchanges. Then, the full platform rolled out, giving users the ability to generate meme tokens and join the social mining experience. Phase 4. Growth and expansion. Now it's all about iteration. They're listening to community feedback and improving the product continuously. But here's the kicker. They're planning to expand to Ethereum and the Sui network, which will massively increase reach and adoption. Phase 5, community-driven future. And finally, once the foundation is rock solid, the team plans to hand over the keys. The platform becomes fully community-governed. Features, updates, governance, everything will be decided by the users. That's not just a product, it's a decentralized movement in the making. Let's talk about the white paper. It's not just a two-pager with fluff. It actually goes in depth about how everything works under the hood. The white paper breaks down the full presale model, how AI agents function in terms of meme generation and branding, and how rewards are calculated through social signals. They explain how the platform's AI doesn't just spit out tokens randomly. It analyzes trends, past meme performance, supply patterns, and even community sentiment to create optimized meme coins. There's also a full section on DAO architecture, governance token roles, and the treasury's future purpose. If you're serious about understanding how DegenLab plans to build a sustainable meme economy, sections 10 through 20 are must-reads. This isn't some random project just using buzzwords. There's logic and tech architecture behind the AI, and they're open about it in the white paper. Security-wise, DegenLab's not cutting corners. Their token contracts were audited by solid proof, and the audit results showed no high or medium severity issues. That's a good start. The ownership of the smart contract has been renounced, so no one can secretly mint extra tokens or blacklist wallets. That's a huge deal, especially in a space full of rug pulls. They also provide wallet transparency, with presale funds being tracked and shared publicly. According to Solid Proof's Trustnet, they scored 67 out of 100, which is actually higher than many meme tokens out there. And on top of that, they already raised $1 million from private investors and influencers. That adds a layer of accountability. You don't raise that kind of money unless someone's done some homework on your team and tech. Is it risk-free? Nope, nothing is in crypto. But it's a hell of a lot more secure than most meme launches. So, final thoughts. DegenLab is way more than just another meme coin project. It's a full-blown ecosystem builder. They're giving users the tools to create, launch, promote, and grow meme coins using AI and tokenized incentives. With strong tokenomics, smart community incentives, a detailed roadmap, and verified audits, they're building something that could actually shape the future of memecoins. If you're vibing with meme culture and want a taste of next-gen crypto tools, DegenLab is definitely worth keeping on your radar. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any project. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.